Good morning. Let's get this porcelain sorted out because it is taking forever. Let's just go do it. Come on. So we're just doing this area here. So we put this cut in and put this flag in. Now this gravel bit here is the, said it yesterday, it's the down pipe for that, or the overflow pipe, but it does leak stripping now. It does leak quite a lot. So we're leaving all that section there, gravel, up to there, because you've got a couple of overflow pipes underneath at the back end and these pipes here. We've got them. But we're doing this. There's 2 flags here. One goes on sort of a, and then we're going all the way down there. 6 flags, I believe. It should be quite an easy afternoon. So Tom's put resin in down there. Put joint it in. Try saying that. Put joint it in. And yeah, just put it back as it was, really. So in a couple of hours, I'm going to move all garden furniture back. But yeah, that bit's finished down there. Then come to this section here. We've just added 2 extra flags here. We didn't even realise that there were 2 flags there. Right, them cuts are in. They make it feel finished. Good areas is this. It's a good area. Nice space for them. Good colour difference in where we've been walking. So yeah, we've just got down here to do now. We need to go pick Tom's car up from getting serviced and MOT. And I need to go to Manchester once again. So yeah, a few flags down there and we're sorted. Easy. Good morning, happy Friday. So I've just jet washed the back garden down, the porcelain patio, just been over all the edges. Just gonna let that dry off a bit while we clean the front garden up. So what I like to do is jet wash it, leave it, let out water run in between all cracks and disappear sort of thing. Give it a mist over before you grout it, just so it's damp, it's not like flooding in the joints, you know what I mean. So yeah, but there's plenty to do there. Got a few bits just to drop off at suppliers, like 10 flags spare. Then we've got obviously his grout to pick up. But it'll just be straight swap of that, I bet. Someone a lot, someone a tenner, that's about it, I think. Then there's this gate to replace for a feather edge gate. And then, yeah, just tied it front up, that's it. Quite an easy day today. Got a meeting at 4 for the mortgage and stuff like that, and then a meeting gone quoting at 5, between 5 and 6. So hopefully mortgage won't take too long. Straight swapping it. It's a remortgage, so it's not too bad. But yeah, let's get busy. Let's get home. Yes, we are grouting. Finally, it's going down in Putsey Town. Is that what they say with kids? I don't know. Anyway, we're grouting. Just gonna let it go off a bit, and then we are. Look at him with his dunks on. And let him go off a bit, and then we're wash it down. Get that furniture over this side and do that side. Yeah, man. I think this is a limestone colour. They wanted light grey, but they didn't have it. But everything in the garden goes dark, so let's just have like a limestone colour, which goes grey, which goes dark, and just go from there. So yeah, tops it off today. It's like being in bloody Spain. It's like being in Spain, nanos. So we're building a gate, and this gate is crap. New build, like I say. They'll go for cheapest fences, cheapest contractors, and they just build a crap gate. So we're building feather edge with a capping on the top, like I always say. We give that for free because it gives a nice finish. But yeah, should be done fairly early today. So need to go get some gravel, and we need to tip off on the van. But they'll be on the lunch now anyway, so there's no rush. So keep watching. Well, as you've seen, we've been grouting. Do you know the most positive thing? of today. This gate. That is it. Let me show you. Yeah, Tom's just reminded me. We also got a sausage roll off at customer. So, mucky footprints. Let me show you. This part's grouted and fine, because obviously it's in the shade. But today, the temperature rose so much. The sun starts here and just literally comes across. Like, the first two flags are normally shaded. They cleaned off fine. But look at this. We've put brick acid on it already. I'll come round to the sags at some. We've put brick acid on it already, and it just needs another quick coat of it. Can't even talk. Yeah, literally burnt my leg, burnt my bloody fingers. So we were going to have Monday off, go golfing. So now we just need to clean this section off, which isn't actually too bad. We thought it were going to be a bloody nightmare, you know, when you look at it, but jet washers brought loads off. And then just that area over there is just like 3 square metres to do. So yeah, we were supposed to be golfing, but we might do it afternoon. See what it does. Our lass is back at school next on Monday, so I'm supposed to be babysitting all the kids, but that's going to work. Probably easier, to be fair. But yeah, this video continues till Monday. Taking forever, man. Oh, and another positive thing, cleared the drive for him. Just needs a quick jet wash, but not killing myself. Last time we did grout like this and this happened, I were here on my own, or on another job on my own, till 8:30 at night, drinking beers with customer. So I can't be arsed tonight, I just want to go home. So have a good weekend, guys, and I will see you Monday morning. Good morning. It's Monday morning. We're back. Brushing this off. Instead of brick acid, we've got on something else. Some sort of stain remover off bricks. So we're going to put this on, scrub my life out of it, and then just grout the area up that end, which I say 3 square metres this morning. Oh, sad my life is this. Sad my life. See what it does. Thick bits that it's struggling with. Right, let's have a look at it. Got hot gravelling down either side. Put the egg chair back, which we're just getting in way at far end. Gravelling underneath there. Feels loads better now. Feels good. This is all grouted. Because it's, well, I mean, it's just started raining now, but because it's so much cooler today, the grout just come off so easy. So easy. But yeah, looks good. Payday, innit? We love it. Monday morning, 12:30. I'll do for today, I think. We'll go home and chill. Yeah, gives me a little bit of a smile. Because when we have a target, we wanted today off, and we had a target to finish on Friday, you're thinking, yeah, go. And then it just heated up. Absolutely just killed the job. And I wasn't working stupid hours, so but yeah, it's another one done. On to the next one. We've got porcelain out next one. It's like a sandy colour, I think, so we normally do greys, but yeah, looking forward to that one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Enjoy.